To start using this school system, yeah, the first step is we need to create class material. If I go back to the cycle in here, which is step 1A, prepare the school product and service, including course information and class information for the student to register. So to start with this process, we enter to the school module. Left click this button, so the system will enter to this particular class course information control. Yeah, class course information control. To start create a class, yeah, we need to have course information in place. So we need to create course information first before we can create class. So to enter the course information is left click this button, so the system will enter to the course information. In here will be the course information and control. To create a new course information, all we need to do is left click this new button in here. So yes or no questions, answer yes. So the system is ready for us to enter the course information. Now from the type and semester, we can ask for the system suggestions by click this type text. Left click, so system give us a suggestion. If the suggestion is not enough in here, we can add new suggestion in here. So for example, in here I select the general as a type, and the semester same. Left click this text in here, so I select this is also general, there's no semester. And the unit must be unique. The best is one and only one, no other unit is repeated. So in here I'm going to key in as a English 101. Okay, 101. And the course fee for this English 101, how much we can enter to here. If this particular course do not require course fee, we can leave it blank. So in here I just leave it blank. And then the description, description is English 101, English 101. And the capacity for the class we can enter in here, or we can enter during the class opening. So the suggest is enter to here for a general information. For example, this class only 25 students can be enrolled, and the credit for this English 101, for example, if there's any credit, we can enter to here. If none, we enter 0. In here I enter a 3 as a general credit. Now up to this point, we can insert this course material into our system, by left click this insert button. Please notice that this insert button have two functions. One, left click is to insert, right click is to cancel. Right click is to cancel. So I left click, so answer yes or no, yes. So by such way, this particular course is created, but other information is not complete yet. We can complete this other informations by using the function of edit. Now I'm edit now, and then I'm going to key in number or lesson for this English 101. For example, it's 18 lesson. Each lesson is 2 hours, so the total hour is 36 hours. Okay, for the next part is the assignment. How many assignment for this English 101 for the master course material? For example, I set it into 2 assignment, and then the weight of the assignment to the total grade. For example, assignment will take 40% of the total grade. And then is the attendance required for this English. If let's say, for example, we give credit to the student who attend full, for example, I give a 10% attendance. And then if there is other consideration for the total grade, other consideration in here is 0. And then how many tests for this English? If let's say, for example, only 1 test, so 1 test. So after all this is enter, I save to complete the English 101 entry. Now the next part is more detailed setting. For example, if we have lecturer for this particular English 101, if we want to set the lecturer, we can just set in there by edit and entry the name of the lecturer. For example, Miss Tan. Miss Tan. If any other information we want to entry, or any remark as regard to this particular English 101, we can entry to here. And if this particular class have immediate supervisor, we can also entry to here. So this is regarding to the lecturer. So I come back to here, general information, I save. Now the next part is as regarding to the lesson plan, lesson planning. Lesson planning is in here. Since we have 18 lessons, we left click this button S, so system will start generate the lesson plan for this English 101 for lesson number 1 teach what, lesson number 2 teach what, if we want to specify into the system. If we want to bypass this process, it's perfectly okay. So this lesson plan is allow us to specify in this English 101 lesson number 5, number 4, what do they teach, or what's the main point on each lesson. So this is regarding to the lesson plan. Now the last part of this English 101 setting will be the weight of assignment and weight of test. For example, since we set 2 assignments, now we need to enter to this S in here, left click, to specify each assignment how much weight for the total 40%. So in here I just edit, for example, assignment number 1 I set as 40% and assignment number 2 I set as 60%. So assignment number 2 has more weight than assignment number 1. This one is for the master assignment setting for English 101. And then the last part will be the test setting, how much weight. Definitely this test, since there's only one, so the test 1 will be 100% for this particular English 101. So up to here we have totally complete setting for the English 101 master course information. Okay, now I'm going to quickly do another example on how to set a master course information. I start with new, answer yes, and the type I select, this one is a general, and semester also is a general. Okay, so the unit is Bahasa Indonesia, 01, and then the language used is Bahasa Indonesia, and the course fee for this one is 600,000 rupiah Indonesia money, and the description is Bahasa Indonesia, capacity allowed is 25, credit is 3, and then I continue. Setup on lesson is 18 also, and then each lesson is 2 hours, total hour plan. Assignment, this one contain 2 assignment, weight 50%, attendance require 10%, other consideration none, and then 2 tests. Then I insert, left click, insert, done. So the Bahasa Indonesia course material is created at this point. Now to continue set the detail for this Bahasa Indonesia, I click edit, I go to the lecturer field, I say Mr. Udin. Okay, no supervisor, no other information. Come back to general information, I save, and then next is to set the lesson plan. Lesson plan, 18 lesson plan set by the system. Then we can start entry to here, each lesson plan teach what main point is. So another one will be the assignment. Since this particular course have 2 assignments, and we can come to here to set the assignment weight for each assignment. For example, in here the first assignment is 30%, second assignment 70%. So the first assignment have less weight than the second assignment. And the last part will be the test. Since this one I have 2 tests, we need to specify the test weight. For example, first weight 40% and the last test will be 60%. So up to here, master test also done. So this Bahasa Indonesia is completed on setting for the number of lesson plan, the assignment weight, and the test weight. Now for the demonstration purpose, I will continue create 3 more course in here. 3 more course in here for demonstration purpose. After we create all these course, now we are ready to open class. Now we exit this module, go back to the class control module.